Beautiful babes, I'm back. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome into the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on your notifications. If you did get a notification for this video. If you didn't, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the little bell. Tap on all notifications, and the next time I upload, you'll be one of the first to know. Listen, y'all. I know I bring a lot of information to the table. I love studying, I love gathering, I love getting products and trying them out. And when I do, it's my duty, and I feel it's my duty and my job to share it with my beautiful babes. So with that being said, everything that I bring to the table, you know you don't have to use, but if it applies to you or you think it's going to help you, then here it is. So today we're talking about safflower oil and the amazing benefits it has for you and me. And I have mine right here. And beautiful babes, we're going to get deep into it because it's important to know that safflower seed oil, if you're thinking about fine lines, wrinkles, or getting older, safflower seed oil slows down the appearance of aging. I just want to pop that out first of all, but we're going to talk about a lot that goes on with safflower oil. All of the things that it entails today. So let's talk about this first of all, just briefly, about the fact that safflower seed oil works to minimize the appearance of wrinkles. You'll find safflower oil in many cosmetics. It is there to help reduce the telltale signs of aging and other skin maladies. But we're going to break this oil down today into its components, what it's made of. Those things like oleic, linoleic, palmitic, stearic, linolenic, and palmitoleic acids. Let's get to it right now, starting with the omega-9 of this oil. What's found in this oil is oleic acids, which is the same thing as omega-9. This property of this oil helps to maintain the softness, suppleness, and radiance of the skin and hair. It helps to stimulate the growth of thicker, longer, and stronger hair. It helps to reduce the appearance of aging, such as premature wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to eliminate dandruff and support hair growth. It helps to boost immunity. It also is there to help exhibit antioxidant properties and also prevent joint inflammation, stiffness, and pain. Now moving on, we're going to talk about the omega-6 properties of this oil, which is linoleic acid. That will help moisturize your hair and promote its growth. It'll help to facilitate wound healing and be an effective emulsifier in the formulation of soaps and quick drying oils. It also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties. It is also there to help soothe acne and reduce chances of future breakouts. Linoleic acid helps to promote moisture retention in the skin and hair. It also is there to make oils feel thinner in consistency when used in an oil blend, thereby being beneficial for use on acne-prone skin. And linoleic acid helps to slow the look of aging by sustaining skin elasticity and softness. And then we break it out with the palmitic acid. Palmitic acids help to give it the emollient properties. It helps to soften the hair without leaving it greasy or sticky. It gives the oil the saturated fatty acids it contains. And then next we have stearic acid. This oil has cleansing properties that eliminate dirt, sweat, and excess sebum from your hair and skin. It helps to be an ideal emulsifying agent that binds water and oil. It also helps products remain potent when stored for long periods of time. Luscious acid helps to condition and protect your hair from damage without diminishing luster or making it feel heavy. It also has exceptional cleansing properties, and luscious acid will help to soften the skin. Now we're getting into the omega-3 properties of safflower oil. It has alpha-linolenic acid in it, which lessens inflammation, controls blood clotting on the skin, and soothes joint pain and ease stiffness to improve flexibility. And then the final property that I'm going to talk about is its palmitoleic acid, which delays the appearance of premature aging, moisturizes and tightens the skin, promotes the growth of shiny hair, enhances the brightness of the complexion, boosts the growth of healthy looking nails, and enhances skin elasticity to prevent symptoms of premature aging, such as wrinkles. And yes, make sure if you're going to cook with safflower oil, make sure it is the edible version of the pressed seeds of the plant. It is quite similar to the composition of vegetable oil. So yes, you can intake it as well. So if you don't have vegetable oil on hand, you can substitute safflower oil as one of the choices. Now that I've broken down all of its components, know that safflower oil can be used cosmetically or topically in general. Safflower oil is known to have a light consistency and a non-greasy texture that is ideal for hydrating dry or acne-prone skin while soothing irritations, rashes, and inflammation. And again, it's also great for helping to minimize the signs of aging. So as you can see, there's a ton of benefits in this one bottle of safflower seed oil. Now I will list below a few ways to use safflower oil that I'm going to mention and talk about right now. If you're using it for cosmetic or topical application, safflower oil can lock in moisture to hydrate and calm your skin and promote radiance and contribute suppleness to areas that are dry, rough, and unevenly toned. Just simply massage a couple of drops of safflower oil on your freshly cleansed face once in the morning and once in the evening, and it does not need to be rinsed off. If you want to whip up a light conditioning body oil that's ideal for even oily skin types, just dilute 5 drops of bergamot essential oil, 5 drops of chamomile essential oil, and 5 drops of geranium essential oil with safflower oil, just about 2 ounces of safflower oil. This can be massaged into preferred areas of the skin. And for your hair, safflower oil is great to reduce hair loss and promote growth. Its application can be as simple as adding a few drops to the ends of your dried hair strands, or you can also apply it to washed and combed hair by rubbing 3 drops in the palms and massaging it into your scalp with your fingertips. Just leave it on for 45 to 60 minutes before it is thoroughly washed out with regular shampoo. Repeating this hair care procedure once a week has been known to help maintain your hair's moisture level. And safflower oil, if you have aging skin, it helps to promote skin elasticity, to have supple skin, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. You can use it as an anti-aging toner. Absolutely amazing oil it is. A lot of great benefits in this little bottle here. It's amazing for moisturizing and anti-aging, as it helps to nourish dry skin and mature skin because of its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. If you are interested in this oil, please do check out the description box underneath this video. The particular oil that I have here, this safflower oil, I did purchase off of Amazon. You can check out my link below or search any reputable company that you feel carries quality oils. I'm Sweet Angel signing out for now, but I'll be back to you real soon with another video. Please turn on your bell notification so you can stay in the know the next time I upload. If you enjoyed today's video, learned something new, or got some value out of this video today, please drop a like on it. Also, share me some hearts down in the comments. I appreciate you so much. I was wondering, should I do a giveaway on this particular oil? We shall see. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and please share me with your world. I'll see you soon. Bye now.